To make it easier to join the sleeves to the armholes, we will now baste mark our armhole and sleeve seam lines. We start by marking our armhole seam lines. We want the baste marking stitches to fall on the seam allowance. Pin the side seam allowances to keep them in place. Here the seam allowance is 2 cm, but we will baste mark about 1 mm less. That's 19 mm. This way, once the sleeve is joined to the armhole, we can remove the baste mark stitches easily. Measure and place a masking tape 1.9 cm or 19 mm from the needle point. Lower the needle on the measuring tape. From here to here is 10 mm. 19 mm is up to here. We lower the tension and increase the stitch length and use a different thread color on our machine. This way we can remove the baste mark stitch line easily later on. Working from the right side of our shirt, we place our armhole under the foot like this. We baste mark 1.9 cm from the edge all the way around the armhole. We are careful not to stretch the fabric as we baste mark. We move the tailor's tack mark out of the way as we baste. Repeat for the other armhole. Now we baste mark the top of our sleeves. We want the sleeve right side in. Pin from the right side to keep the seam allowances in place here at the top. Start baste marking from the seam line, 1.9 cm from the edge all the way around the sleeve top. Repeat for the other sleeve. Next, we will join the sleeves to the armholes.